I need to write a function to check if a number is a prime number. This is in my code, but I'm not sure if it is 100% correct. Let's ask GPT. First, let's check the correctness. GPT says that this code is incorrect if number is less than or equal to 2. When number is 1, this code will return true, but 1 is not a prime number. When number is 2, the code returns true. True is a prime number, and that's correct. Secondly, it says that it's inefficient. We only need to check until square root of number, but our code check until number minus 1. That makes it inefficient. And lastly, it doesn't handle non-positive integers. GPT gives us the correct version. Check if number is less than 2, return false. For numbers greater than or equal to 2, we only need to check from 2 until square root of the number plus 1. Followed by explanation, ChatGPT even gives us some test cases. We not only learn how to write this function correctly, we also learn that in coding we always need to think about edge cases. And if our code is correct, our next step is to think about how to make our code efficient. Try it. Paste your code to ChatGPT and ask it to improve your code for you. Subscribe to this channel for more Python tips. Happy coding!